The question isn't who is going to let me, it's about who is going to stop me. Hello, I am Shrinki Mehta and I bring to you the inspiring story of the alumna from Institute of Design and Technology, Surat. Meet Miss Megha Sharma, the principal designer from D Studio. Hello Megha.
Hi Shrinki.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good, thank you so much. So I welcome you to the alumni series presented by IDT.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, so tell us about your journey from being a student at IDT till who are you now?
Okay. I joined IDT after I completed my BCom.
Okay.
Then I did 2 years of diploma from there. After that, I did internships and job from different architects. After that, I met my friend Priyanka, and she was a friend in college also.
Okay.
But then we decided mutually that we are going to open our own firm, and then this is how we started D Studio. We did 2 years of freelancing, and after that we opened our office.
Okay.
And this is the journey.
Okay, great. So, was there any, held back or something setback? Like, some parents are like, no, you should not do this interior, you should have done this. So, before joining IDT.
Okay, yeah, मेरे parents को भी ये था कि you should do some like education kind of thing like CAs
Okay,
and MBAs.
okay.
But I taken the decision कि नहीं मुझे interior ही करना है and मैं इसी field में ही जाऊँगी.
Okay.
Then after some time उन्होंने जब देखा कि I am doing so much of great works, उन्होंने बहुत appreciate किया and now they are very proud of me.
I guess this will be, helping other also.
Yeah, definitely.
Because your parents have seen your journey and so
Right.
they'll be, proud of you. Okay, so you have done more than 35 projects as what I have seen at your pages, social media pages and all. So what has been or which has been your favorite project so far out of those 35 or 38 projects you have done?
I think all of those projects are very close to my heart because there is a emotional touch in all of my
Yes,
projects,
definitely.
and there is a good bonding with the clients.
Yeah.
So if you talk about favorites, I think जहाँ पे मुझे client ने restrict नहीं किया, not in the terms of budget and not in the terms of designing. तो उन्होंने मुझ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट किया एंड मैंने जब वो ट्रस्ट लास्ट में आउटकम के तौर पे फुलफिल हुआ एंड उनको मेरा काम बहुत पसंद आया एंड दैट प्रोजेक्ट वाज माय फेवरेट.
What was your recent project you have done, like you recently?
I have recently completed a project in Krish Enclave in Sangani Teresa.
Okay.
And right now I'm doing Santa Godavari's bungalow.
Okay.
And there are many more to come.
Yes, yes. So you just said it very rightly that there is nothing called favorite because you are attached, you are emotionally attached to what you do. It's just like telling a parent or asking a parent to pick one of their favorite child because everyone is close to that. So yes, you are very true. So moving ahead, is there any particular interior design style that you favor or you dislike?
I think कि मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कुछ फेवरेट हो सकता है या कुछ डिसलाइक हो सकता है. इट्स लाइक ऑल डिजाइनर्स हैव देयर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वर्क. देयर पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स डिजाइनिंग इज वेरी डिफरेंट. तो आई थिंक इट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन योरसेल्फ कि आपको कौन सा पसंद है कौन सा नहीं पसंद है. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी I think there is no judgment. We can't judge anybody's work.
Yes,
So it's
true,
my thinking.
True, very true, very true. Okay, what is your signature design style?
Actually, my signature style is basically I merge two kind of designing. That is royal. I don't want like
In particular, you don't mind. Okay, you have
I
fusion
just
type.
fusion. I have a
Okay.
modern with royal fusion.
Okay,
I make.
okay.
I use concrete also.
Okay.
I use marbles also. I used brass, veneers, and there are many more materials which I use. And these are, I think, I take care in mind that it should not affect environment.
True, very true. So since you are an alumna of IDT and that's why we are here, of course. So how did IDT help you in building your career? Building your interior career.
I think IDT was the first step to my career.
Yes, very true.
So the teachers are very professional. They are highly qualified. The thing is that कि वो लोग हमेशा हमें प्रैक्टिकलिटी में बिलीव करना सिखाते हैं, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज से यू कैन नॉट गो डायरेक्टली इनटू द फील्ड, आपको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड यहाँ के जो टीचर्स थे वो हमें प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज के बारे में बहुत बताया, लाइक हमने बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड किए, देन वी हैव विजिटेड मेनी अदर साइट्स ऑल्सो, वहाँ पे हमने प्रैक्टिकली सीखा कि कैसे वर्क होता है, हाउ टू डील विद द कारपेंटर्स, हाउ टू डील विद द क्लाइंट्स, यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिकलिटी इज आई थिंक very important for any work. Then second thing, like we have done base in India. We have done base in, I think, in TGB also and in science centers also, and I think that is like amazing experience.
Yeah, base and India ka basically annual interior design exhibitions, where the students get an opportunity to exhibit their projects, and it's a great platform IDT provides them. So I'm happy that you love this uniqueness about IDT.
Definitely.
Okay, so before we move ahead with our a quick question answer segment, I would like everyone to take a tour of D Design Studio.
Hey guys, see D Studio.
Okay, so we are back and your studio is amazing, we must say, and I hope everyone has liked that. So just if you want to your dream studio or dream design or dream bedrooms or dream kitchen, whatever, so Megha is here to help you. In any case, I'm promoting you, Megha.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go ahead with our question answer segment. So any character you have idealized from, be it TV, web series, many people they see TV, they see television actors or any sort of if they have read any fiction books or non-fiction books, they idolize from certain characters. So who do you idolize from?
I think I idolize the most Mr. Ratan Tata.
Yeah. Okay.
The thing is that because he is known for his commitments, वो अपने commitments के लिए जाने जाते हैं. And second thing, जो उनका socially जो उनका work है, what he is doing for India, I think I love that. So I think every person should do things for our country also.
Yes, social responsibilities.
Social responsibilities are very important. आप कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ, but don't forget your social responsibilities.
Yes, definitely.
And the third is that he is very humble with their employees. I want my employees to be my family. Not they should not be just my employees. I don't want to treat them like my employees.
Yes, you have put in a very great point, because when you feel that your employees are a part of your organization or your family, then things go very smoothly.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
Yes, every youth or aspiring entrepreneur must be idolizing Ratan Tata, because he is one of a gem. Very
Yes,
true,
yes.
very true. Okay, what's your mantra to be a great interior designer?
It's my mantra about designing is, guys, be in discipline. अगर discipline है तो you will be going to be focused towards your work.
Yes.
Second thing, learn from your mistakes.
Definitely.
गलतियों को छोड़ के आगे मत बढ़ो, गलतियों से सीख के आगे बढ़ो. I think that is more important. The things, learn regularly, learn करो. जितनी नए products आते हैं markets में, ऐसे मत सोचो कि अब मैं stage पे आ गया हूँ तो मुझे सीखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हर दिन सीखने के लिए ही बना है. तो I think,
I guess in any age you can learn.
Yeah, in any case there is no boundaries for learning, guys. You can go and learn at any time.
Yes.
I think learning is, do not stop learning.
Yes, yes, very true.
And be passionate.
Yes, definitely. Be passionate about what you are choosing, what you are opting for, and of course, there is no shortcuts. Just we have seen. So moving ahead from parents, convincing the parents, then joining an institute who provides you such practical exposures, and then moving ahead with the journey, and there is no turning back. You can see that, just like Megha has told. Okay, describe yourself in 3 words if you wish to.
I'm a good listener. Right now I'm listening her.
Yeah, she's listening to my points and answering it.
Right. And second thing, I am hardworking and passionate towards work, and I believe in building relations.
Yes, that's a very
with the
great
clients
point.
also.
Yes, yes. That's a great point. Okay, so we are at the end of our conversation, and just on an ending note, I would just like to ask any last piece of advice you would like to convey to the potential or the aspiring interior designers who are just going to take the plunge into this career.
Okay, the first thing, focused रहोगे तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. Second thing, do internships and jobs.
Yes.
Don't jump into directly your own business.
Yes.
क्योंकि आप internships and jobs करोगे तो आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. तो I think you should go there. Then after that, अगर आपको practice करनी है तो you should be in 360 view. मतलब आपको हर चीज़ पे ध्यान देना है. डिजाइनिंग पे भी ध्यान देना है, आपको एग्जीक्यूशन पे भी ध्यान देना है, आपको क्लाइंट्स पे भी ध्यान देना है, आपको वर्कर्स के साथ कैसे डील करना है उस पर भी ध्यान देना है. देन सेकेंड थिंग, यस, सोशल मीडिया. आपको सबको पता है कि सोशल मीडिया अभी बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप में है. तो अगर आपको अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करना है, यू शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन सोशल मीडियाज ऑल्सो, बट इन द गुड सेंस.
Okay, all right, so we are done with this segment also, and you have been a wonderful listener over here, just like you said. And yes, you provided us with I think the people who are watching this series, I mean, you must watch this series, because when a student passes out from an institute, then he or she can only give a great feedback about what he is doing or she is doing in her life and in your career. And the guidance is very much, because always a word of mouth that goes ahead with your career, or if you are aspiring for anything. So yes, we are done with it. Thank you so much for coming with us.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
It's always our pleasure to have connections with our alumni. Thank you so much.
Okay,
so bye bye.